Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in February of this year, I let you know that Windows 11 24H2, which is this year's annual feature update, may get hot patching to install updates without restarting. Because as you may well know, currently with Windows, you need to reboot to apply most cumulative updates that roll out as our Patch Tuesday updates or as our C release updates, optional updates near the end of the month. Now, there are some updates that don't require a reboot, but those are more the minority than the majority. And in regards to hot patching, basically Microsoft explains it as patching the in-memory code of running processes without the need to restart the process. So basically what it does is it does away with needing to restart your PC after the update installation like is currently required on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, basically, it seems now that this is going to be the case with Windows 11 24H2, where Microsoft will enable hot patching. So basically, what it means in a nutshell is you'll have to restart your PC after every 2 hot patch updates. And Microsoft has 4 planned baseline updates for a year, which require a reboot. So just to give you an example of what this is all about, if we just head over to a little image provided by Microsoft regarding this hot patching. So here we can see as an example, if January is a cumulative update, then February and March would be hot patch releases without needing to restart your computer. And then April, with the April update, you would then have to restart your computer. So every 4 months, you would need to restart your computer. So that's basically how this will work in a nutshell. And Microsoft explains hot patching like this. They say, because hot patch patches the in-memory code of running processes without the need to restart the process, your applications are unaffected by the patching process. They also mention that this action is separate from any potential performance and functionality implications of the patch itself. So basically that's how they can get around having to restart every update instead now of every 4 months, with those hot patches in the middle for those 2 months in the middle. Now, something else just to take note of is that Microsoft says you may also have to restart your PC after installing an unplanned update. So these could be security fixes for a 0-day or a critical issue in the OS. So those wouldn't require a restart, but those are more the minority than the majority. And if everything goes to plan, you don't have to worry about restarting your PC after an update for 8 months in a year. So I think this could be a nice move in the right direction. It will eliminate a lot of having to restart and interrupt your workflow and so on. But personally, from my personal standpoint, I still think I would reboot my PC after any major update. I think it does away with a lot of issues, flushes the cache, the memory, and everything else. So although this, in theory, is a good idea, and I think, if you are in a workflow or in an organization, then obviously this will be more a kind of a feature that gets more favor. But personally, as a home user, I think I would just reboot anyway. But nonetheless, that's hot patching. That's arriving with Windows 11 24H2, according to Microsoft, and a new support document. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.